So we looked at how to do some awesome creative coding and how to mess with code that's already out there, but now you want to actually start making your own code and you want to learn deeper than what I showed you here, because this is just introductory, y'all. This is just the tip of the ice, like the ice cube. Tip of the ice cube. So I'm going to say go ahead and pop open Chrome or whatever Explorer you have and just go to processing.org. This is the website where you download it from. This is where you'll find out the best stuff there is. And this guy right here, Dan, I can't think of his last name, from Processing Foundation, he has made the greatest tools to learn from. So there are tutorials here. And there will be a ton of tutorials how to learn a whole bunch of different stuff. It is such good stuff. If you want to learn about doing sound, heck yeah, you can learn about doing sound. You want to do 3D? You can do 3D. You want to mess with video? You can do video. But I highly recommend you start with this tutorials with Hello Processing. If you click on this, you will see Dan Schifferman's Hello Processing set of tutorials, and you can click here to begin. Boom. And it is a set of videos, and he'll explain what's going on. But what's awesome is that if you jump to lessons, he actually has points in this.
All right, we're ready to get started. This is a very exciting moment because we're actually going to look at writing lines of code and drawing stuff to the screen. So what does it mean?
Pause. Maybe I can turn it down. I don't know. But he explains what processing is, and he takes you from start to finish actually developing code and drawing with code and making code. But this is an awesome platform because if you're not ready to download processing or can't yet, you can actually do coding in these windows with him. So this will actually have you doing that. And see right here, you can actually see windows you could code in, like circle. Let's say 10, 50. Let's see if it will run that. Run code. Oh no, looks like there's a problem with your code. You can reset code. Oh, I probably need a void setup. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to get into it right now because I haven't practiced this. But yeah, this actually creates a coding platform for you and shows you it coding over here, and it's pretty fantastic. So this is a great place to start. After this, if you want to go to the coding train, this is the place, and this is the same dude. It is a YouTube channel with Dan Schiffman, and he's a weirdo. I love him. I love this guy. He is bonkers. But this is a ton of awesome places. So once you start to get a little more acquainted, you can start coming in here and seeing how he does a bunch of really weird, interesting stuff in processing and totally get into it and lose yourself to it like I have. There's a ton of really good playlists. So if you click on playlists, boom, 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 you have things like introductions. So a nice place to go, you can do learning processing, a beginner's guide to programming images, animations, and interactions. This is a fantastic place to actually start from the top and go. So you will start with the introduction playlist.
Not a cent I won't forget. And I can tell you exactly
I
which
don't want to worry about this ad. Ads. But you'll see there's a bunch of different things here, from processing tutorial. Who are you? Who am I? What is programming? And it gets you into all of the information you want, and he's pretty fun. I like this guy. So this is another great place, another great resource for learning processing. Once you start playing with this stuff, you no longer need me. You'll never need me again because you'll be so far and so much better than me, and you'll be like, that stuff you were showing me, beginners. It ain't nothing. All right, well, I hope you have fun. I hope you start coding. I hope you start doing weird stuff and rock and roll. Take it easy, y'all.